Senior Software Engineer Interview Practice Questions, Set 5. Question 1. What is the main benefit of using microservices architecture? A. Enables modularization and independent deployment of services. B. Makes the application run faster overall. C. Allows for centralized control of the system. D. Requires fewer resources for deployment. The correct answer is A. Enables modularization and independent deployment of services. Microservices break the application into modular, independently deployable services, enhancing scalability and flexibility. Question 2. Which of the following is true about the singleton design pattern? A. It restricts instantiation of a class to one object. B. It creates a new instance every time it's called. C. It allows multiple instances of the class to exist. D. It hides the class constructor from the user. The correct answer is A. It restricts instantiation of a class to one object. The singleton pattern ensures that only one instance of a class is created. Question 3. Which algorithm is commonly used for solving the traveling salesman problem? A. Bubble sort. B. Dijkstra's algorithm. C. Greedy algorithm. D. Dynamic programming. The correct answer is C. Greedy algorithm. The greedy algorithm is often used for approximating solutions to the traveling salesman problem. Question 4. What is a major advantage of using NoSQL databases over traditional SQL databases? A. NoSQL databases are fully ACID compliant. B. NoSQL databases support complex joins. C. NoSQL databases scale horizontally more easily. D. NoSQL databases enforce a strict schema. The correct answer is C. NoSQL databases scale horizontally more easily. NoSQL databases support horizontal scaling, making them more suitable for large-scale applications. Question 5. Which of the following is an example of a concurrent data structure? A. Hash map. B. Concurrent hash map. C. Array list. D. Linked list. The correct answer is B. Concurrent hash map. Concurrent hash map allows safe concurrent access by multiple threads in Java. Question 6. What is the main purpose of the super keyword in Java? A. To refer to the current class object. B. To invoke the parent class's constructor or methods. C. To prevent inheritance of a class. D. To implement interfaces in a class. The correct answer is B. To invoke the parent class's constructor or methods. Super is used to call the constructor or methods of the parent class. Question 7. Which HTTP method is used to retrieve data from the server? A. Post. B. Get. C. Put. D. Delete. The correct answer is B. Get. The get method is used to retrieve data from a server without modifying it. Question 8. What is the purpose of the volatile keyword in Java? A. Ensures a variable is cached by multiple threads. B. Guarantees visibility of changes across threads. C. Locks a variable to prevent concurrent access. D. Makes a variable constant. The correct answer is B. Guarantees visibility of changes across threads. The volatile keyword ensures that changes to a variable are visible across all threads. Question 9. Which of the following best describes the concept of encapsulation? A. Hiding object data and requiring methods to access it. B. Inheriting properties from another class. C. Creating complex objects using simple building blocks. D. Reusing methods and properties from multiple classes. The correct answer is A. Hiding object data and requiring methods to access it. Encapsulation hides the internal state and only exposes a controlled interface for interaction. Question 10. What is the time complexity of finding an element in a hash table? The correct answer is A. O of 1. Hash tables provide constant time complexity O of 1 for average lookup, insertion, and deletion. Question 11. What is the purpose of Docker containers in development? A. To build and run applications on a shared environment. B. To store and manage databases efficiently. C. To isolate applications in a lightweight, consistent environment. D. To scale applications across multiple cloud platforms. The correct answer is C. To isolate applications in a lightweight, consistent environment. Docker containers isolate applications from the host system and provide consistent environments for running code. Question 12. What is the purpose of the git merge command? A. To combine two different Git repositories. B. To apply changes from one branch to another. C. To delete a Git branch after merging. D. To commit changes to a local repository. The correct answer is B. To apply changes from one branch to another. Git merge applies changes from one branch into another, combining their histories. Question 13. Which of the following is true about RESTful services? A. They use XML data for communication. B. They are stateless and operate over HTTP. C. They require a special protocol beyond HTTP. D. They are limited to GET and POST requests. The correct answer is B. They are stateless and operate over HTTP. RESTful services are stateless and communicate over HTTP, with data typically in JSON or XML. Question 14. What is the main advantage of using multi-threading in Java? A. To reduce the overall complexity of the program. B. To improve performance by using multiple cores concurrently. C. To simplify the development of complex applications. D. To handle exceptions more efficiently. The correct answer is B. To improve performance by using multiple cores concurrently. Multi-threading allows concurrent execution on multiple cores, improving performance and responsiveness. Question 15. What is the time complexity of a binary search in a sorted array? The correct answer is B. O of log n. Binary search divides the search space in half, resulting in a time complexity of O of log n. Question 16. Which of the following best describes immutability in programming? A. The ability to change the state of an object. B. The ability to modify values in an array. C. The inability to modify an object's state after creation. D. The inability to create new objects from existing ones. The correct answer is C. The inability to modify an object's state after creation. Immutable objects cannot be changed once created, ensuring consistency and thread safety. Question 17. What is the primary use of the lambda expression in Java? A. To create anonymous methods for functional interfaces. B. To define getter and setter methods in a class. C. To define methods in interfaces. D. To handle exceptions in a program. The correct answer is A. To create anonymous methods for functional interfaces. Lambda expressions enable concise, functional-style programming by defining methods for functional interfaces. Question 18. Which of the following is true about the final keyword in Java? A. It can be applied to variables and methods only. B. It restricts inheritance and method overriding. C. It makes a class non-static. D. It can only be applied to methods. The correct answer is B. It restricts inheritance and method overriding. The final keyword prevents method overriding and class inheritance, ensuring immutability. Question 19. What is a common use case for a message queue? A. To store and serve static files. B. To pass messages asynchronously between distributed components. C. To manage SQL transactions. D. To cache frequently accessed data. The correct answer is B. To pass messages asynchronously between distributed components. Message queues facilitate asynchronous communication, improving decoupling and scalability in distributed systems. Question 20. Which of the following is the most appropriate use of the factory design pattern? A. To create a single instance of a class. B. To create an object without exposing the creation logic. C. To optimize the performance of an application. D. To manage method calls in a class. The correct answer is B. To create an object without exposing the creation logic. The factory pattern abstracts object creation, centralizing the logic and improving flexibility.